Maribina Falls is uncovered in the town of Bato, and it is one of the most prominent and convenient waterfalls on the island. The falls are approximately 5 to 6 meters high, with gleaming gushing rapids of crystal clear water. Fun fact: if you are not aware, Maribina Falls is named after its nearby villages, which is Marinawa and Binanwahan. Maribina Falls is a perfect spot for picnickers and weekenders. One of the great things in this water haven is that not only is it near, the price is also wallet friendly. For only 25 pesos, you get to enjoy these great experiences. Great place, great view, surrounded by Mother Nature, and cold and crystal water. 25 pesos. So worth it, right? But if you can't bring your own food, you can buy some in the quaint little shop at the entrance. Although they mainly sell chips and finger foods and all the like. There are only a few cottages on the area. Most of the picnickers or tourists just find a comfortable and shaded spot around the waterfalls where they can sit and lay their foods. The Maribina Falls provide an excellent day out on the water surrounded by lush greenery. To say the least, a welcoming environment for its frequent visitors. You can let loose by taking a natural shower under the Maribina Falls, or you can get wild by jumping from some rocks. Of course, you can also choose to relax on the rocks and swim in the refreshingly cold water. Whatever your reason for visiting Maribina Falls, you're sure to have a pleasant afternoon if you go.
Hi guys! Welcome to our vlog! So for today's video, nandito kami ngayon sa Maribina Falls, enjoying the green scenery and having some time to relax. If gusto niyang refresher to breathe in some fresh air, punta na dito sa Maribina Falls. Tara na at maligo! Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and click the notification bell for more upcoming updates. Bye!